Hey,
I got
what
a
up
really good
guys?
idea.
This is Challenges at Us here. Right now we are back with another Roblox video, so I'm hoping you guys really enjoy this. And today we are in Build-A-Boat. And right now guys, I've been working really hard on this boat. And let me give you guys a little tour around this boat, guys. So here we have the chamber room where all the challenges sit. I sit right here because I'm Challenges at Us. And the other challenges sit right next to me on the chamber. So that is pretty cool. We also got beds right here. This one is which one, Agent? Which bed do you want?
This one.
Okay, this is Agent's bed. This is Tony's bed. Snorlax's bed is the white one, and my bed is more like a brownish color one right here. So there we go. There's a tour of the upper part throne room area, and the bottom part is where all the cannons are. And who put this block right here? Oh, never mind. Why can I?
Guys, so right there, bam! Blow up?
I can't get through this, guys. Hold on, let me just delete this little section out, cause seriously, I couldn't not get through that whatsoever.
I can't get through.
So
Okay,
let
then.
me just delete these parts.
Yeah,
and this
there
is
we
the
go.
barrier room, like more like the gun room, cause a bunch of white cannons everywhere. We got 3 white cannons. Don't mind the noise, guys, cause the cannons are literally shooting at my fans right
I
now.
see you,
So,
homie. I see you, homie, inside.
we also got a
Are we
little
gonna
trap
start this
door right here, guys, so that like if anyone opens this trap door or stands on top of it, like for instance, let me go get one of my fans and give you an example. Hey, Agent,
Yeah.
can you stand on this trap door for a second?
Okay.
And now
Me and Snorlax.
here's a little there we go. There's a little trick right there as start trolling some people on this boat. So guys, as I also did, I put an overlay right over this boat with like a skylight in the middle of it, and it looks really interesting. So if you guys really want to see this boat, try to get to the end. Let's do so and get ready for this video.
Can I stand?
What? Can you what?
Can I stand?
No, you can't stand because you're
Why?
you
On the other boat, me and Snorlax were standing, but then he pushed me off on accident, and he still survived.
normally
Yeah, I survived so long.
it would just be good for a video, guys, if like I'm just like we're all just sitting right here and we will.
Oh yeah, we can say it.
It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be funny for the viewers.
It's gonna be funny for the viewers.
Yeah, cause I'll be outside dancing like
Guys,
this.
guys.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be starting this boat in 3, 2, 1, go. And now let's get this party started, guys. I don't know why we have a wooden pillar just
No!
in the middle of that, and agent fell off. So I told you, Agent, you should have sat down, man. You should have sat down, bro.
I'm in.
Oh man. Come on. We can definitely do it, guys. But
Homie, wanna see something?
what's that?
I'm dancing.
I don't see you dance. Oh yeah, now you're dancing right there. You're dancing in my throne room, man. No.
Agent, come with me. Agent, come over here.
No.
What? Come over here with me.
This is my best favorite ship, guys.
I'm underground, guys.
You are underground? What do you mean by underground? By in
I ain't
the
showing you.
gun room? Oh yeah, I see you in the gun room right now. Dude, close that trap door, man.
Okay. But how am I gonna get out? Oh yeah, there's.
No, you're not allowed.
Yes, I am.
There's 2 exits on the
Hi.
way out, so there's literally 2 exits, so you guys can jump down there, or you guys can go through the trap door.
Hi.
Guys, do you dare me to jump over here?
No.
I'm not gonna.
Why
is this boat so slow?
Because you guys are
Because we're
standing.
Because I'm gonna sit.
So this boat is not supposed to be slow, guys. Come and sit down, because we need this boat to go faster for this video.
Okay.
So the boat's going faster now.
Okay, guys. I'm also going to take a screenshot just for the thumbnail right here, guys. So, hold on. Let me just take a screenshot right here. Then I'm going to take a screenshot on the outside of the boat with us traveling down the rapids.
dancing. Okay, guys. Accident.
So there we go. Gonna take a pic of the front of the boat. Got that one, perfect. This is a pretty good boat, guys. So there's gonna be like 3 different images going into the thumbnail.
Lag, lag, lag.
Lag? What do you mean lag? Oh wow.
Your voice is being laggy.
I've never seen a forest like this before, guys. This is pretty
Oh, me
interesting.
neither. This is new.
Yeah, this is definitely new. Wow, this is really interesting. I actually like this right here. It's
Imagine
peaceful.
if gorillas start coming at us.
Gorillas start coming at us. Oh, but don't worry, guys. If gorillas started coming at us, our cannons would probably take care of them. Because we do got 3 cannons on each side, so
True.
they wouldn't stand a chance.
Ah!
Dude, you guys just tipped the boat.
Ah!
Wow.
How did it fly? What?
Oh my goodness, one of my fans died. Agent Cheater, RIP. Okay, so
From
now
2007 to 2018.
2007 to 2018. Okay, RIP Agent Cheater. Now it's just me and Snorlax. Who's gonna win? Who is gonna win? Wait a second. Are we going the right way? Yeah, we're definitely going the right way. So we got about like 1, 2, 3. Hold on, I can't see the other ones. Like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, 7. We got 7 more maps to go through. So hoping we can survive this, and I'll let you guys know when we get closest to the end. And guys, I'm gonna cut this part out where I just said I'll let you guys know when we get closest to the end. Agent.
Yes.
I'm gonna like cut that part out where I said I'll let you guys know when I get closer to the end.
Okay.
Now I'm just getting something to drink really quick. And whoa, octopus tentacles.
Wait, what?
There were octopus tentacles sticking out of the water. And we just got launched up in the air with an octopus tentacle. Wow, we're missing out, man.
I know. You're missing out over here too. It's funny.
And here comes a wave. Oh, oh.
There's a wave?
Yeah, there's a wave that hits you. Snorlax, tell him there's a wave. Snorlax.
I think he's AFK.
Oh man,
You're in for the treats, guys.
what's the treat?
You'll see.
I'll see. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
No. Okay, you're not sure then. Oh no. No.
Can you
What?
guys hear me?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, I can hear you now.
Oh, sweet. Good.
Do you notice the new parts to this map? To the maps and
Yep, I
everything?
did. Well, there's like something bringing us up.
It's something what?
Look, zoom out. There's like a weird brown thing bringing us up. Oh,
It looks like we're
it's on
gonna.
now.
Looks like we're going into a different arena. This looks like a whole.
Oh god.
Different-
Wait, this one's like blocked off. Oh, this is the second to last, I think.
Whoa! Look at this barrier all the way around, guys. This is so different. Paintbrushes now. There's definitely paintbrushes. Okay, guys, I am back, and right now, apparently, we are going through this little thing with a bunch of paintbrushes. So there's a bunch of paintbrushes splattered everywhere, and I noticed when we go through it, our boat gets painted a different color, but still, it takes bits and pieces out of the boat. This is definitely something new, and this is really insane. So let's
No, I've
see
never seen this.
what is next. Oh no, there's sharks in here. The next map we're going into has sharks. Sharks, man. Oh no, there's sharks right there. No,
I'm gonna die. Mom, can I just wait until I
No, dude, there you go.
No, but Mom, I'm in a video.
Huh?
I'm
So right now we gotta make sure we get past these sharks. Please.
Yeah.
Hoping we get past these sharks. I'm just hoping.
I don't want to die. Okay, this is actually going really fast.
Yes, it
Is
definitely
this
is.
the last part?
No, not yet. We are like 1, 2, 3, 3 more.
Whoa, what's
laps.
this? Is this Game of Thrones?
It looks like it right there. It actually looks like Game of Thrones.
The heck is like blowing up stuff.
Well, we still survived, and we're literally like floating in midair.
Hackers.
We're not going in there.
We're not definitely floating in midair. We're just actually it's like a
Bring the
block
hot
that's still sitting in midair.
Homie, you're in for a treat when you die or something.
What's that?
You'll see later. Hee hee.
We're not gonna die though.
Okay, apparently Agent
When-
has a treat
when you
for
get
us,
done.
So, yeah, there,
Oh,
we're running. We're hitting stuff. We're hitting a bunch of stuff, and
Okay, we might die.
we might.
Yeah.
But I'm not exactly sure
If
we
Aiken
will
was in
die.
the bottom, he would have died already.
Seriously,
No.
we are like inches away from beating this. So
Dude, there's no way we're gonna die. That'd be so funny if we died.
yeah, it would be so funny if we die, but
Like, especially for the vid.
we're not gonna die. Even though our boat does look torn apart, and we're not gonna die, guys. We are definitely not gonna die.
There's no way we
Because this boat has survived through everything, and I know it can survive past this part.
It has to.
Yeah, it does. And look how
If
far.
it doesn't, I'll be very sad. Disappointed.
Dude, the finish is beyond these rocks. So once we get past these rocks, we won.
Yeah. This is gonna be so easy. I gotta go soon.
Alright,
Wow.
so there we go. We're
Like, right
almost
after
there. We're
this.
almost there. Come on. Please don't. Please come on. Make it past
I
it.
can't.
Make it
This
past the boat.
can't fail.
Yeah.
I've never actually been this far, so I'm about to take a screenshot.
So yeah, there we go. Our boat looks so torn apart.
I know, it's like dead.
Yeah, it looks like it got into a ship battle.
And then like someone like
Over here looks like it's got into a ship battle.
want me to send a pic?
Okay.
Okay, just take a screenshot. I'm about to send a pic.
Oh no! Come on!
You guys are almost at the end?
We're almost at the end. Zoom out, Tony, and look. You see the
Oh my
waterfall?
god.
Tony?
No, not Tony. Snorlax. My bad. I keep mistaking Tony for Snorlax.
Oh my god. We're almost done.
Yes, we are definitely.
It's like the bow.
And I can,
After this,
I
like
can-
the last level.
and I can hear the waterfall getting so close right now, guys.
Please hurry up. I don't want them to come before. I'm not done yet.
This is an easy one.
And
And like,
we are so close to reaching the
come on,
end.
we have to win this, boy.
And there we go, guys. We have made it to the end.
Oh no.
There we go, boys. Now we're gonna go
Are you guys at
over
the
this-
treasure?
we're-
Are you guys at the treasure?
We're about to go over the waterfall.
Oh.
Oh
no.
Oh,
I'm so close to being done.
Yeah, me too.
yeah. So, well, guys, I'm probably gonna end the video off here pretty soon. So,
No. Wait. When you're done and you come to the lobby,
when I'm
end the
done-
video
We will.
there.
All right, cool. When I'm done and I come to the lobby, guys, I'll probably end off the video there. So I'm hoping you guys really enjoyed this little adventure and build a boat. So make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get to the spawn and see what Agent has in store for us. Okay. We're going to see what Agent has in store for us. This will take a little while, and right now I'm stepping on top of this goat, but it's not spawning me in. It's not spawning me in. Oh, come on. Oh, wait.
Oh
What?
my god, what did
There we
Agent
go.
do here?
OMG, guys. OMG. Really, Agent? Really? What did you do? What did you do, man? Are these all the blocks that you had in your
Yes.
inventory? Oh my goodness. This actually looks like a parkour thing where you can just literally jump on stuff and like right over here, guys. Hey, look at that. It looks like a little parkour thing. So I want to see if I can actually
Guys, we
get
have
to
to
a
launch this.
parkour.
Yeah, let's launch this. Get in the sea. Get in the sea. Let's launch. Let's launch.
Okay, so guys, I'm hoping you guys really enjoyed that video. So make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I thank you guys for watching. And this is Challenges Us out. Bye, guys.